Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Jess. If you are not, welcome back. If you are new, I would love for you to go down there and click that big red subscribe button and turn on those post notifications so you guys can be notified every time I upload a new video. And I want to start off this video by saying I apologize for the way that I sound. Unfortunately, I have COVID. I'm feeling much better, obviously. I am on my 7th day, so I'm not feeling too bad. I'm feeling all right. So I do apologize if I've got some, if I sound a little funny or nasally. I want to apologize for that in advance. If you guys would want to see a video kind of talking about what my first symptoms were and what the testing was like, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below, and maybe I'll do a video on that. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into today's video. So as you guys can see from the title, I will be unboxing the Boxy Luxe and Boxy Premium. So they actually, some of the boxes are different. Like I've seen some, I haven't watched any videos, but I've just seen like people's thumbnails. And these are the two boxes. They're the exact same size as you can see, but one is premium and one is luxe. Let's see, I guess I'll do the premium first. The premium box is a lot heavier than the luxe. So this is the premium. Oh, let me not show you guys my address. This is the premium and this is the luxe, and they're the same size, but the premium is much, much heavier. So I guess we'll start with the premium box first. And you can tell it's premium because it's the blue box and it says premium on there. So let's see what this is. So the first one is a brush set, which I'm kind of excited about. Oh, hello. Let me first off show you guys the card that it comes with. And the theme for this month is Oasis, or the Oasis, I should say. And this comes with 6 full-size products, which is nice. And this box retails for $35. And so we have the Baddington brush set, which comes with 2 brushes. And this retails for, oh my gosh, this retails for $90 for 2 brushes. Holy crap. These are very nice and weighted though. I will show you guys a close-up of the brushes. So these are what the handles look like. Very, very sturdy, which is nice, very weighted. So it looks like we've got, oh, they're really nice and soft too. I feel like I have plenty of face brushes and not enough eye brushes. So as much as I'm sure I'll get use out of this, I would have preferred eye brushes, but that's just me being picky. So it says the powder brush, which is used with loose and pressed powders, perfect for application of bronzer, blush, and finishing powder. And then the contour foundation brush evenly distributes product and foundation into skin, great for contouring and blending. So this is the kind of foundation brush. It's pretty small, but really, really nice. I feel like it's a little too like soft and not dense enough to be like a foundation brush, but maybe for contour or cream contour maybe. So that's nice. They're really, really soft. Sorry, I keep touching them. They're so soft. But this retails for $90. I just can't get over the fact that this retails for $90 for 2 brushes. Anyway, moving on, we have the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask, moisturizing and firming. Ooh. The only thing from Glow Recipe that I've tried is their Watermelon Mist, which this is my holy, holy grail setting spray. So really like that, but that's the only thing I've tried from Glow Recipe. So I'm excited to try this. This is the, let's see, Glow Recipe Avocado Melt, retails for $49. And it says it's a creamy, nourishing mask formulated with antioxidant-rich avocado, exfoliant PHA, and the most gentle form of retinol, encapsulated retinol. The super gentle yet effective mask works to improve skin elasticity and reveal smoother, hydrated skin with each use. Use as a wash-off, flash facial, or overnight mask for deep recovery. I will probably use this as a flash face mask just because I use Curology at night. So this will most likely be like a quick face mask, like it says that you could leave it on for a little while and then wash it off. So I'm excited to try that. Let me see if I can open this up and show you guys what the packaging looks like. So this is the box. I love Glow Recipes packaging. Super, super cute. Next up from KVD. Oh, well, this still says Kat Von D Beauty. On the box, it still says Kat Von D. I don't know if you guys could see that. It still says Kat Von D, but then on the card it says KVD Vegan Beauty. This is a Studded Kiss Lip Cream, which retails for $20, and it's in the shade Hawkwind. Probably pronouncing that wrong, but it looks kind of like a dark mauvey shade, mauvey, you know, however you want to pronounce it. But that's what it looks like there. I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of this. This is definitely right up my alley. It's like a dark kind of purpley color. Really nice. Not really a fan of bullet lipsticks. I don't use them too often, but still a really nice color. And then Skin & Co. Roma Sardinian Spirit Shower Gel. I would smell this. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and try and smell this, but nope, can't smell anything. One of the symptoms of COVID is losing taste and smell, and unfortunately, I have not been able to taste or smell anything for almost a week. So unfortunately, I can't tell you how good or bad this smells because I can't smell it. But this retails for $22, and it says, like the delicate fragrance of yellow flowers on a vibrant Sardinian summer day when the Mediterranean breeze carries the notes of the pressed myrtle flowers and berries that run through the cobblestone streets. Free of phthalates, parabens, and mineral oils, this limited edition shower gel is sure to take you back to the island of Sardinia this summer. That sounds amazing. So that's what that looks like here. Price for it. Wow, I'm really excited to get this. Okay, so next up we have the Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, which I believe it was last month, we got the Natural Matte from Too Faced, which I was really excited about. This I don't think is new by any means, but they did repackage it a while ago, and it's got like this kind of like rubbery matte top, which I really like. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this, except for maybe like these two shades here. I'm not really sure what this is. I feel like I would use this as more of like a blush. It says that it's a deep highlight, but all of these are mattes. I'm gonna swatch some of them for you. Yeah, you can't really see like the powders there, but the contours look pretty decent. I feel like I'll be able to get use out of these two here. Not so much this one. This one's gonna be a bit light, but definitely these two here. But anyways, this retails for $44. And then the last thing in the box is this. I'm assuming this is why it's so heavy, but it's this Stella, what is it? Grace and Stella face masks. So let's see. It's really heavy. It says it's like an energy drink for your face, anti-wrinkle and energizing face masks. So you open it up and it says good choice. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's super cute there. And let's take one of these out. Oh wow. Oh my goodness. Okay, so it's like a whole mask. I've never been one for face like sheet masks. Like face masks are one thing where it's like you know you have a pot, you put it on your face, but I've never done one of these. So that's interesting. It says it's an anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask. And it comes with, yeah, it comes with 6. And this retails for $25 for 6. It says, as we get older, our body's natural collagen breaks down and depletes from accumulated exposure to environmental pollution, free radicals, and UV rays, which cause our skin to lose its structure and strength. Grace and Stella's anti-wrinkle and energizing face mask is designed to diminish the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines by boosting collagen production and rejuvenating skin. Nice. Okay, so that was the last thing in the box. This is probably what was making the box really heavy. But yeah, let me go ahead and tally everything together and put the total on the screen for you. Alright guys, so the value of this box is $250 and the retail price is $35, so you're saving $215, which I think is amazing. I will say the one thing that I'm probably like meh about is the KVD Beauty lipstick and then the kind of shower gel. I'm sure if I could smell this, I would like it a lot more, but because I can't, it's just those two are kind of like the bottom of the list for me. But I'm really excited to try this. Like, just look how funny that looks. If you guys have tried this, or if you guys got this in your Boxy charm and you've tried it, let me know. And then we will move on to the Luxe. So now onto the Luxe. This is much lighter, and as you can tell, it says Luxe at the top there, but it is the same size box. So let's go ahead and move into this bad boy. The first thing in the Boxy Luxe is this Pure Heals Propolis 80 sleeping mask. I have received something from Pure Heals in a previous Boxy charm, although I never tried it because it was skincare and I just am really wary about skincare. So I've never actually tried anything from this brand, but I am excited to try it just because this is a sleeping mask and I feel like that's something I'm more comfortable kind of putting on my face. And this is what it looks like. It has kind of like a honey consistency. Of course, I would smell it, but I can't. It would do me no good. And that's what the inside looks like. And it retails for $55. Next up, we have Smile Science RX Teeth Whitening Pen. This retails for $80. It says this 2-pen pack whitening gels will have your teeth whiter and brighter after just one use. This duo pen pack will last you all month. Interesting. Let me open it up here. I find it strange that we got teeth whitening. Does anyone else find that weird? Maybe it's just me. I don't know what you would put this on though. So it comes with 2. And it retails for $80 for this set of 2. Let's see if it'll focus. Nope. Okay. Well, so there's that. I guess it doesn't come with anything else, like for your teeth or anything. Okay, maybe not. So that's interesting. I mean, I guess I'll have to read the direction. Okay, brush, teeth, and floss. Twist pen to dispense gel. Smile wide to keep lips away from teeth. Dry teeth. The drier teeth are the better results. Apply a thin layer of gel to teeth. Keep off gums. Rinse after 30 minutes. So you have to sit there like this for 30 minutes? That's got to be kind of hard. So if any of you guys have used this or received it in your box and feel a little bit about it, let me know. Next up, we have the No Problem Prime Essence from Touch and Soul. And this retails for $23. I've never tried anything from Touch and Soul before. But I know that this has come in previous Boxy charms, so I'm excited to try this out because I've definitely, whoa, the consistency is so liquidy. Can you guys see that? It's so liquidy. Oh my goodness. But it does kind of smooth the skin out, I guess. It says it's a prime essence for anyone looking to take their makeup routine to the next level. This formula is enhanced with calendula flower extract to minimize pores and smooth skin texture. Use it on its own or pair with a No Problem primer to create the perfect blank canvas for your next killer look. Okay, so this is an essence. It's not a primer, or it's a primer essence. But it made my skin really nice and smooth, so that's exciting. Next up, we have the Lily Lash Triple X Mascara, and this retails for $24. I've never tried anything from Lily Lashes. They were like a false lash company. Sorry, I can't get the words out. They make like false lashes, so I've never, and I'm not a false lash kind of person, so I've never had anything from them before. But this is what the tube looks like. And as far as the wand goes, it's a really big natural bristled wand, which is something that I prefer. So I'm excited to see what this formula is like. I'm a big mascara person, so I'm excited to try this. Next up from Kylie Skin is their foaming face wash, which retails for $24. It's our luxurious foaming face wash is infused with ultra nourishing kiwi seed oil packed with vitamin C and E to help maintain moisture and improve elasticity. This gentle formula cleanses skin by helping to remove dirt, oil, and makeup for a fresh, bright complexion. Like I said, I'm not a huge fan of Kylie anything. I've never tried Kylie Skin. I really do like the packaging. The packaging is really nice. I use an acne face wash, so I don't know that I would actually get a lot of use out of this. So this will probably be going in a giveaway. So if you want to know how to win the giveaway, just make sure to click that subscribe button down below. Once I get to 100 subscribers, I will do a giveaway. So I think I'm only a couple subscribers away from that. So stay tuned for the giveaway. And then we've got a couple more things. We have Bodyography Professional Cosmetics. What is this? It says it is a lip pencil 2-pack. So this retails for $28. That's kind of pricey, but you do get 2 lip pencils, so I guess it's like $14 for each lip liner if you think about it like that. So these are the colors here. We have kind of like a nudie one and then like a dark mauvey one here. So here we go. Here is the light one there and the dark one there. Next up, we have the charcoal brush set from Billion Dollar Brush, which retails for $55. This is a 5-piece charcoal brush set. Interesting, so I'm assuming that it's got charcoal infused bristles, which is interesting. And it looks like we have face and eye brushes, which is nice because we got face brushes in the premium, the premium box. So these are the brushes here. Let me take them out of their packaging. All right, so we've got 2 face brushes, which are these here. We've got kind of like an angled brush and like a big powder brush. Very, very nice, soft and fluffy. These are really kind of light, which is nice, but really, really nice. And then we have 3 eye brushes, which are these here. And then last, but certainly not least, we have the Tartist Pro Amazon Clay Palette, which retails for $49. Ooh, this looks really dirty. I'm really hoping that the shadows didn't break, which it looks like they might have, considering this is really dirty. Oh, it did. Only one of them came shattered though, so I will try and reach out to Boxy Charm to see. Oh, that's unfortunate. But this is a very nice palette. It's all mattes. Well, most of them are mattes. You do have 4 shimmers on the side here. I don't want to tip it over just because I don't want eyeshadow to go everywhere. So that is what it looks like there. Really, really nice. It's like an all natural, like a very natural palette. So if you like neutrals and like everyday looks, I feel like you would like this palette. But let me go ahead and tally everything up for you guys. So the grand total of this box is $338, and if I'm not mistaken, this one is $75, but I'm not sure. So I will put the correct prices down below. If it is $75, then you're saving about $263. I will say that out of the 2 Luxe boxes, like the very first Luxe box and this box, I prefer the very first one that I got. This one was just meh. I think the Kylie Skin and this kind of like random teeth brightening is kind of just not really worth it. I mean, this just seems really weird that you'd have to leave your teeth like this for 30 minutes before rinsing it off. But if you have tried Smile Science before, please let me know down in the comments. And if you do get Boxy Charm, let me know what what boxes you got. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's video. I apologize if it was a little all over the place. This is my first video I'm filming with COVID. But thank you guys so much for tuning in, and until next time. Bye guys.